Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and unscrew 8 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 2 5mm screws and 1 3mm screw from the battery. There are tabs on the battery that hold it in place. Lift up and slide the tabs out of their slots to remove. Slide the battery tabs back into their slots to replace the battery. Replace the 2 5mm screws and 1 3mm screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 8 captive screws in the bottom cover.